Hey, what's up guys, Gabriel here, and today I'll give you some tips that will help you properly connect your PWM devices, whether you're connecting a fan, a hub, air cooler, liquid cooler, you name it. So without further ado, let's get started. So first off, PWM stands for pulse width modulation, and it's used to regulate how much power a motor gains. When applied to PCs, this method is used to control the fan speed of the device. Usually, you have a PWM compatible fan connected to a 4-pin connector. You may encounter a situation where you get a fan or even a hub that has a 4-pin connector, but you don't really know if it's actually a PWM device. For that, the easiest way to know if your device has PWM capabilities is, of course, by checking the product webpage. If you are sure that you have a PWM device but it's not working, what the f? Check out your motherboard manual and make sure that the 4-pin fan header, where you connect your device, follows the PWM pin configuration. And then make sure that the PWM function is set in BIOS for the fan header your device is connected to. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope these tips help you understand more about PWM and how it works. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips like this. I'm Gabriel. See you next time.